Mock Star question number 61. Which action is prohibited under the provisions of Title IX of the Education Amendments in 1972? A principal refuses to organize athletic events and programs for female sports teams. B, the funding for a music program is cut because of declining tax revenues. C, a teacher attempts to organize a charity basketball game for faculty and students. D, the staffing for a foreign language class is reduced due to lack of interest. And so we're going to go to our strategies. The era, Cold War, and conservative resurgence. We get that from 1972, as well as that's when these educational amendments were done. Topic is political, and it can also be social. Title IX is kind of the reasoning behind that. Title IX is you can't discriminate within schools by gender or any other discrimination for that matter, but it basically means that the school needs to provide equally for boys and girls. And so going to cross out incorrect answers, we're actually going to go to B. The funding for a music program is cut because of declining tax revenues. And so this one's incorrect because the question is asking what action would be prohibited. Prohibited, it's what question is, or what answer here is violating Title IX of the Education Amendment. So which of these here is violating the anti-discrimination piece? And B, the funding for a music program is cut because of declining tax revenues. That doesn't have anything to do, it's not gender discrimination or anything like that. C, a teacher attempts to organize a charity basketball game for faculty and students. That one, again, it's not a discriminatory thing. It's not discriminating against anyone, and so it is not. That is perfectly fine under Title IX. And D is incorrect. The staffing for a foreign language class is reduced due to lack of interest. This one, it's not discriminating against anyone, and so it's not violating Title IX. A principal refuses to organize athletic events and programs for female sports teams. That is the correct answer because it is discriminating against gender. It would be prohibited under the provisions of Title IX.